Okay guys, on March 22, 2023, it's me Imad. So today I will show you how to propagate the cochineal cactus, or botanically this plant is called as the cochenillifera Opuntia. Okay, now you can see that we have two main stem cuttings. Okay, now this is, you can see, this is the main stem and this is the top pad. Okay, now although we can cut any part for propagation, but we will go for the big one. Okay, we will do propagation in such a way that we will cut this main pad into multiple parts. Okay, so now you can see it properly. It is a very hardy cactus. Okay, some people used to consider it as the most hardest plant on planet Earth. Okay, now I have made one cut. The video has been interrupted for some seconds. Okay, so now you can see that I have made one cut on the cochineal cactus. Okay, now I will show you. Now I will cut it down, that is, I will get a simple. Okay, now this is my first stem cutting, or first pad cutting. Now it is dropped out. I'm using forceps, diagonal artery forceps. Okay, and now you can see this is our cactus stem. Usually the propagation rate is usually the 99%. In case of cactus it is 99 to 100%. Now we will cut the second part. I'm using a very sharp paper blade. Okay, it is very juicy. Okay, you can see that it's having latex. The compound which is usually inside this plant is called as the latex. Okay, now we got two of our cuttings. Now we will go for the third one. Okay, now top to down cutting is very easy. Okay, now I can cut it down like this. Okay, so this thing and this thing. So this is the third part. Now this one is the fourth part. Now this is the fifth part, or fifth cutting, and this one is our sixth one. You should have to mark the top and bottom parts. Okay, now I am cutting the last part of this cochineal pad. Now cut it down. It is a little bit hard. Okay, it's a careless tower already. Now you can see that even with this razor blade I am unable to cut it down. Now from this side, okay, still I am unable to cut it down. Now I'm grabbing it with the forceps now. Okay, now I will cut it from above, a little bit above. Now this is our, okay, wait, let me cut it out for you. It is becoming difficult. Okay, wait, and now I have break it out. Okay, now we got all of our cuttings. Okay, now we have to place them for 1 week at least in order to callus our. Okay, either we can, okay, I think that we got enough cuttings. Okay, so now I will Now I am rotating the cam so you can see all the cuttings, okay, because they are wounded, so do not use to place them just right now, okay. You should have to wait for at least 1 week so that their wounds will get healed, okay. Okay, on April 8, 2023. Now I have taken 4 of my disposable cups, which is having a like 50% simple soil and 50% construction sand or sand, okay. So it is 50-50 percent soil and sand mixture. So I have added the sand because of the fact that cactus do not want to sit in the water, okay. So it provides a better drainage. Sand is for a better drainage of the water. You should have to like make around 5 to 6 holes, okay, of adequate size in the bottoms of these disposable cups or parts, okay. Now you can see that when I used to throw the water, it just absorbed, okay, and it also used to come from bottom, okay. So now now we have to go for like this, okay. Now all of them are totally wet with the water. Now you can see that how good they have healed, okay. You can see how good they are, and they are a little bit wilted as well, okay. Now I have placed the first stem cutting. Now we'll go for the second one and just press, okay, just press them a little bit, okay. Now I will remove the air pockets with the help of this forceps, okay, and now we will go for the third one. The third one I will place all of the cuttings, okay, but I just made the video of like four of our cuttings. So now, okay, now you can see that I have placed them out like this, and hopefully they will survive. Now this one also, although it is a little bit wilted because it is placed just on the cemented roof under the sun, okay. So now all of our cuttings are placed inside the media. Now we have to wait. One more thing, that I have dubbed my voice on the video so you can see, okay. Okay, on June 21, 2023. Now I have placed 3 tags also. Now you can see that how good they have grown. Although I used to place all the 7 cuttings in the media, okay. Okay, now you can see that how good they have grown, okay. Now you can see that. So this is our result, and it used to take months, okay, because cactus is a slow grower. Now this is fourth one, okay, fourth one. And now we will see its roots. Now we will take it out like this, okay, and you can see the roots. Now you can see it properly. Even after months, the roots are not so much good. I can't say that their roots are very good, okay, but still they are growing. It is good, okay. Now you can see that this is our second stem cutting. Now you can see its roots, and also on stem side we have a very good growth, okay, like 1 to 2 inches or up to 3 inches. But on root side it is not so much, but still it's good, okay. So now you can also see other pieces results. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.